I don't know if I can make this any more clear, but I love you and I want you all my life. And I want you for the rest of my life, no matter what happens.
Do you want to find true love? Or perhaps meet with someone who matches your preferences and then suits your personality? Or maybe you have questions to ask about love or emotional matters and you want us to physically respond to you? So how about learning new tips, tricks and hacks to boost your relationship and strengthen your compatibility? Trust me, this is exclusively at the Date Night with Elegant. So, what are you waiting for? Let us indulge together in this sophisticated atmosphere tailored specifically for couples and singles. Just come around, let's learn from other people's love stories and experiences. Imagine a night where you're enjoying exquisite cuisines while listening to good sounds that brings us together in a perfect complement to our evening. On Sunday, 15th of December 2024, I am all set to release and launch my musical album. Trust me when I say this album is a packed load of timeless classics and contemporary hit tracks. Date Night with Elegant, where love meets melodies. Please book your tickets right now and let us make this evening unforgettable. 5 p.m. prompt, red carpet formalities. Main event starts by 6 p.m. I don't want you to miss out. Beat me there. And sure, you beat me there.